Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to hide apps on Android. So we have few methods on how to hide apps on Android. So for Android users, we all know that we can hide apps if we're going to disable them. So to do that, you just have to go to your phone settings and then look for app management, go to app list, and then tap the app that you wanted to disable. For example, this one, I disable this. So I can't see this application on my phone device. Okay, so for this one, you can either force stop in order for this application not to appear on your home screen. So you just have to do that to all the application that you want to hide. After doing this method, we have another method. You can exit this or you can just continue. Go to your phone settings. Okay, tap the gear icon. And then here you just have to go to home screen. If you can't find it here, then you can simply search that. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, so for some Android users, you can see an option here that says hide apps on home screen or home and apps screens. But actually, some Androids don't have the same features. Then if you can see that option that says hide apps on home and app screen, all you have to do is to tap that one and toggle that one on. So in that way, you can simply hide the application on your home screen. So the third is to just simply move that application, or you can create a folder and you can add that application in that folder so that you can see that application on your home screen. I mean, you can create a new folder for that, or you can just simply put this or drag this to somewhere that you need to find so that you can see this application on your home screen. I mean, the very first part of your home screen. Okay, so the fourth is to simply go back to your settings. You can simply swipe this down and then tap the gear icon and then go to the search bar and look for lock application or just lock. And then you have to scroll down, okay, and look for that app lock. Okay, tap this one. And then when you tap this, obviously you can set a password or a passcode for your application. Okay, so if you're going to tap this app lock, you can now create a passcode for that or choose any application that you want to create the passcode. And below here, you can see hide from screen. So you can set access code. And then after that, you can simply hide this application on your home screen. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.